tayo sa taas ng ating farmhouse, guys. So ito yung pangatlong palapag, guys. Yan. So silipin natin, guys. So top view yan, guys. Yan, guys. Lapitan natin, guys. Ito yung area natin. Ito, farmhouse na ito, guys. Yan, guys. Ang dami nila, guys. So, lipad-lipad. So ito, guys, hindi pa na-finishing farmhouse to, guys. Yan, guys. Yan na sila, guys. So, hello. Hello. Mga friendly yan. Hello. Hello, guys. Yan. Yan yung ibon-ibon natin, guys. Yan sila. So ito. So ito farmhouse to, guys. Bagong farmhouse natin. Pero ang dami na nila, guys. So. Yan. So guys, seedless farming, ha. So God willing, guys, makatulong din ako sa iba. Pag nag-income na to. Yan sila, guys. So yan yung area natin, guys. Napapaligiran ng, as always, palay. Yan, guys. Maganda sana kung may 360 camera. Baka naman, Brother Moss Kahal, yung isang 360 mo dyan, Insta 360, akin na lang. And guys, look at the view, guys. Wow. So look at the birds. It's almost, what time is it? So time na to go home kasi, kumbaga 5 o'clock, dahan na silang uuwi hanggang sa 6:50, 30, tulog na sila ng farmhouse. So yan kayong farmhouse natin, guys. So dami. Target ko, guys, 100 head, 1,000 heads lang para sureball yung harvest. Dami nila, guys. Friendly yan sila, guys. Hello, birdie. Nice. Dami na, guys. Yan lang. Yan. Thank you, guys.